The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central St. John the Baptist Parish in southeastern Louisiana, northwestern St. Charles Parish in southeastern Louisiana, northwestern Jefferson Parish in southeastern Louisiana, north central Lafourche Parish in southeastern Louisiana, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Taft, or over Handle, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kelowna, Metairie, Norco, Paradas, Des Allemands, Moss, Luling, Handel, River Ridge, Bouquet, New Orleans Armstrong Airport, Ama, Destroyan, Wagaman, Taft, New Sarpy, St. Rose, Elmwood, Bayou Gauche, and Harahan. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 211 and 230. Interstate 310 between mile markers 1 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Daylight. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Jefferson, Lafourche, St. Charles and St. John the Baptist.